Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome in our DSS online classes. And now, chapter 2, more about Windows. Chapter 2, more about Windows. This is the next new topic and folders. What is file and folder? File and folders is a very good topic because if you are read in a school and you have prepared a lot of subject that you can make various types copies notebook and you have various types book also. That's your teacher teach you about many types of subject, but when the teacher give the notes you will write in a separate copy. Just like in computer, when you are work in a system in a computer, that's you have created that time a file that is called the file. What is the file? File is the computer work. Now let's come files and folders. All the time while working on the computer, you will be creating files and organizing them into folders. Just like if a computer teacher, just like me, I am given to you 10 pages computer project and also say about this 10 pages stored in a file in a folder, that is that pages will be called files, and where the files are stored along with all 10 pages, that is called folder, because within the folder files are stored. So a file is your computer work stored with the name on a disk. When you are create a file with the help of computer, that's time you will create a file according to your computer. So when you have finally created your computer work, you will save it by giving the name, which type that file will be opened or creating by you. Just like if you are using the various types of application program, that's various types of your files. Okay, just like move next topic, creating files. What is creating files? Files are created through software in which you work. Files you can create various types file you can create in your computer system, but what happened here, in which you work, when you are giving or doing any types of work, that's time you will create a file, and where you can create a file through software. Just like for example in the paint program you can create files when you draw. In paint program why you use, there you can make various types of pictures, shapes, images, that can you call this type files are also called the paint program file. That means when you are open your paint program, that's time you can tell the paint files. After that, when in MS Word you can create your text file. When you have to need a textual format data you want to type in your computer, that time if you use MS Word program, that's time you can see that this type program, those are created in MS Word are called MS Word files. Just like creating files, you can use various software just like Paint for drawing, and after drawing you can see that drawing files, and if you are doing textual matter in MS Word and creating a file, that time you can tell the MS Word file, textual file. So these files can be saved with any name of your choice. Those topics I also provide the practical video what is file and folder and how to create files. Okay, so let we have to move a practical video on the basis of your chapters. Okay, so this is the desktop window, and here in bottom position this is the called this is the called, you watch the cursor position, this is the called taskbar, this is the called taskbar, and these are all various types of icons. Those are small picture. That's why your Windows will be say about graphical user interface. Okay, so we have to discuss about how to opening a file. Just here you can see, I will give you about 3 example. Okay, so you can here look three types of file in a small picture. Okay, so you have to watch, this is the file and how to open it. If you are double click on it, that's inside this file, this document will be appear. Okay, so if you open another file just like paint file, you can double click and you can see this is the another file of your paint program. Okay, and what happen when you open the file and how to open the, simply double click. You can watch this. When I am simply double click with the help of mouse button, that's why your file will be open. And if you are also open your book, you can watch your activity 1 to open a file, just like activity 1 to open a file. That's why you know that how to open a file. Firstly you open the program and make your documents, and after that you can save anywhere. I will save the file on your desktop, and if you are save the document here, you can simply double click just like here your paint. This is the paint file, this is a paint file. Okay, so our next activity is to open a folder. How to open a folder? Just like if you want to create a desktop, on the desktop folder, new folder, just you click here right click, and after that go new, and then you select folder. Okay, here folder will be appear. If you write, suppose your name is Raj, and after that you click outside from your file inbox. Okay, this is a file exists in your memory, and this folder will be named Raj. Okay, what is the purpose of folder? Folder is a way to organize our files. That's why if we are copy and here we can paste. Okay, once again close. From here this will be deleted also, and you can also cut, and here folder open, and here you will attach it like that, paste. Once again close, and here once again right click and cut and open it by double clicking and paste it. Now you have to watch, here file will be disappear with the help of deleting option or cut copy. So, and where you manage it? In Raj folder, just like in Raj folder, when you double click it, you can see here 3 files available. Okay, and now you can watch, simply double click and you have to watch, this file will be open. If you want to this file, double click on it, you watch this file. And if you want to file paint file, double click on it, that's you can watch paint file. Okay, that's why in this practical video we have to discuss about how to open a file and how to manage your folder. All the files are selected files. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.